Hey guys, my name is Sam and welcome to another video. Thanks for tuning in, I really appreciate it. I hope you had or gonna have a great day. So, in today's video we're going to have an in-depth look at the Hot Wheels Track Builder Unlimited Curve Kicker Pack. So before we dive in, let's have a quick look at some of the previous released version of this turn kicker. So back in 2017, Hot Wheels did a first release of this curve ID and it was named Turn Kicker. So basically, this was just a 90 degrees curve with a kicker or booster attached to it, and it came in the box with another separate 90 degrees standard curve. So you could do a full 180 degrees turn. After that, in 2018, Hot Wheels did an updated version of this and renamed it to Custom Curve Kicker. The main advantage was that, as the name reveals, it no longer was a fixed 90 degrees curve, but a customizable corner. You could do anything between 0 and 180 degrees corners. So fast forwarding to 2020, Hot Wheels re-released it now under the name of Track Builder Unlimited Curve Kicker Pack. So yeah, let's do the unboxing first. So the first thing you notice is that it has a different packaging for 2020. It looks nice and clean, the colors look great, and the box matches the product. In contrast to the 2018 packaging, you can see a glimpse of the corner or curve itself. Also, it looks like when you have the box in your hand, it's a nice high quality product. So yeah, thumbs up to the design team at Hot Wheels. Let's have a look in the box. Alright, so let's open it. I have to press here. So it's easy that they cut out a piece of the box so you can open it easily. Alright, so the first thing we have is a nice little ID template and different track builder pieces. We have here the triple loop, the loop kicker, the stun bridge, and here we have curve kickers. So yeah, nice to know if you already have some other track builder pieces and you want to lay out something like that. And here you have the reference for the track builder pieces. So yeah. Next, we got ourselves a little manual. So yeah, pretty straightforward, nothing special. Okay. It comes with four track connectors. We have two track builder pieces. As you can see, these are delivered with the high border one, in contrast to the 2018 ones, which is always a plus. Alright. I'm gonna need the scissors. Yeah, just a moment. Alright, so I got this cut free, and now let's have a close look at the curve kicker itself. So as you notice right out of the box, the color scheme is different like the 2018 version. So this piece comes in handy when you make a curve like this. It has a long flap to it, which seems odd first, but then you have to add this to your track, so it's nice and firm. Alright, now let's have a look at the car that is attached to it. As you can see, it comes with one car. This one is part of the Hot Wheels Art Car series from 2019, and it's named Fast Fish. I have to point out, if you look on the box, it's a blue one, red one, blue one doesn't exist. So it's kind of odd they added a blue one, maybe to match the box more, I don't know. Anyway, you won't find the blue one. You also can see an A on top. This is not just part of the design, it's actually part of the complete series. So you can buy the complete Hot Wheels Art Car series. And if you completely align the series together, so the cars, the rooftops, you should be able to see ready, set, go. So kind of cool. Alright. Cool design. This car is attached to many Hot Wheels track sets. I have already 3 times this one, but it stays a cool car. So let's go to the tracks and let's check it out. Now we are at the track room where we test out tracks and stunts. Okay, so I built the most basic form of the curve. Okay, so Fast Fish, attempt 1. Alright, that was a fast curve. So let's check a 90 degrees curve. Alright, 90 degrees. Okay, attempt 1, set, go. Whoopa. Success. Now let's try to do a straight one. So as you can see, you can use the curve kicker as a corner kicker or just as a regular straight booster with no batteries. Right, now let's build something that is more fun. I'll be right back. Okay, welcome back. We got ourselves a little track build out. I used 2 of the curve kickers and 1 kicker loop. Oh, which I forgot to set ready. Okay, so let's fire this up. Oh, that was a crash. Nope. Alright, so another track. I set it up a little bit differently. And let's try some other cars. Alright. Next we're going to try the Alpine A110. Ready, set, go! Kaboom! Let's have another go. Bang! Alright, last time. Ching! Let's try another track star. This one is Power Surge. Alright, Power Surge, let's go! Oh! Alright, 1, 2, 3. Yeah! Slowly, but it did work. So as you can see, some cars work well, some cars just don't. Okay, so this time I set the angles a little bit wider, so hopefully I have more success. Let's try Fast Fish. Okay, set, go! Right. Let's try the other one. Okay, so let's try Synchro one more time. Set, go! Right. So I think the 180 turn is probably the most difficult one to be successful at. So let's now have a look at the pros and cons. So the bad news first. The first con is that you can't use this corner in two different directions. So like I set my track up here, this won't work. It's only one way. So I will demonstrate it. So you can see, you always have to follow the arrow, so this way in, this way out, because this is how the mechanism works. So it would be nice from Hot Wheels to add, I don't know, something that you could just flip this over and you would go like this. Okay, so the second con for you GoPro users is this thing won't work. It doesn't fit the corner. Let me show you. Alright, let's try. Uh-oh. This is too high. So this is quite a shame because I still want to work with the GoPro and some tracks, you know. So what are the pros then? Well, you got yourself a fully customizable corner or just a regular straight booster. So that's a 2-in-1. Right, so to summarize things up, it's good but not perfect. It's priced $12.99 at hotwheels.com. My name is Sam, please subscribe and like this video, and I'll see you on the next one.